George loved to learn, but he loved to talk about what he knew even more. He would often say, "I already know everything." One sunny morning, in his cozy classroom, George's kind teacher, Mrs. Gable, began a lesson on new ideas. Mrs. Gable noticed George had a proud look on his face, as if he thought he knew it all. She walked over to his desk, carrying a small teapot and a teacup. "George," she said softly, "may I pour you some tea?" George nodded, very pleased to be singled out, thinking he already knew all about tea. Mrs. Gable began to pour, and soon the teacup was full. But she kept pouring, and the tea spilled over the sides, making a small puddle on his desk. "Mrs. Gable," George exclaimed, "the cup is full. It cannot hold any more." Mrs. Gable smiled gently. "Just like this cup, George. If your mind is already full, it cannot learn anything new." George looked at the overflowing tea, then at his teacher's kind eyes. A quiet understanding began to grow in his heart. He realized that when he boasted about knowing everything, he was closing his mind to new ideas, just like the full teacup. From that day on, George tried to listen more and talk less. He learned that it's okay not to know everything, and that there is always something new to discover. Being humble opens the door to wisdom, allowing us to always keep learning and growing.